What do you see when you look at me? I look cute, right? Wearing a cute top, wearing cute jeans, you know, look like I'm ready to hit the street, right? Wrong. I'm going to be showing you in this video 5 things to look out for before you head out. Hi guys, welcome to this edition of AYABA Insider. If you're just joining us, AYABA Insider is the official YouTube channel of Lagos-based fashion brand AYABA, and my name is Tomiwa Oladile and I'm the creative director of AYABA. And today we're going to be showing you 5 things that every female should look out for when they're dressing up. But before we do that, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button by clicking the subscribe button below and then turning on the notification bell so you get updated whenever our video goes up. Yeah, now that we've done that, let's get into it. So the very first thing that every lady should look out for is her underwear. It's really important to invest in the type of underwear you wear because it's what makes your overall look. Let's take this top for example. It's an off-shoulder top, so I'm wearing a strapless bra, but if you look at it very well, you see that the bra is ill-fitting. One boob is higher than the other, and even if you look at the side, you just see that, you know, the sides don't sit right. And that's simply because a lot of us, when we, you know, wear strapless bras, we are not careful to wear the right size of bra, the strapless bra that sits up and sits in place. So it's really important for you to invest in the right type of bra so that, you know, you don't have a whole boob situation going on. Can you see the difference between this look and the first video? This is more put together. It looked like I'm wearing the right size of bra. The bra is staying up and as such lifting the bottom nicely, and altogether it gives the top a cleaner, nicer, smarter look. So another fashion faux pas that I see a lot of us making is leaving our bra straps sticking out. I mean, if you're wearing a top that is going to show your shoulders, or if you're wearing like a bare shouldered outfit, you need to take those straps out of the way, right? So as I said before, invest in a good strapless bra, and if not, you know, it's super easy to just slide the bra strap off your shoulders. As long as it's tucked in nicely, you should stay put and you should be good to go and look cleaner. Now this particular mistake is one that a lot of us make unconsciously. Trust me, I made it recently, so I know. It's simply leaving the tags or the hangers of your outfit flying out. You know, and if you just ask me, I think it's just safe to cut it off. A lot of us, most times when we hang our outfits, we don't really hang it with the tags anyways. But if you do think you're going to need the tags to hang your outfits, by all means keep them, but just make sure that they're tucked away when you're heading out. You just look cleaner and put together, and it's really one to watch out for because it's so easy to ignore. Yeah, but then before you head out, take a look in the mirror and be sure that nothing is hanging out. Yeah, so I've worn my cute top, I've pulled on my jeans, I'm about to dash out the door. Hold up, you actually need to ensure that the pockets of your jeans are tucked away because it's so easy to forget. I mean, you take off your jeans and then the next time you want to wear it, you just pull it back on. You don't realize your pockets are hanging out and you head out the door. When you just come out the door, you just look scruffy. You know, it's the easiest thing to do and it's also the easiest thing to forget. So make sure before you head out the door, your pockets are tucked in. Yeah, so you have a cleaner, more presentable look. And finally, before you head out that door, don't be afraid to accessorize. See how this jewelry just elevates the outfit and just gives the outfit a refreshed look. So now that I've accessorized and all my tags and my pockets and everything is all tucked in, I'm ready to grab my purse and head out. So now that you've identified these 5 basic things, and they're basic mistakes that we make every day when we're dressing up, you know, if you do check out for them before you head out or whenever you dress up, then you see that you look more put together, you look all together chic, and your whole outfit just comes out much nicer. Yeah, So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have other tips for us, please share in the comments below. Let's all learn together. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and what else? Turn on your notifications if you haven't done that. So till next time, bye.